I just gave you an example that suppose my number is 36 and I want to write this in exponential form. So first I will do its prime factors. Can you guys do the prime factors orally?
Yes, sir. 2, 3. That's all.
Not like that बेटा. Orally कैसे करते हैं? पहले आप 36 को लिख लोगे 9 into 4 और 4 into 9. फिर 3 को लिख लोगे 3 into 3 and 2 को लिख लोगे 2 into 2. So that's how we do it orally. Everyone understood this or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Then I can write 36 as 3 square times 2 square. Any doubts in this? So you guys can try a question. Write in exponential form. The question is 48. Write in exponential form. Is Adya here?
Yes, sir.
UI, keep your camera on. Is Avyan here? So Mr. Ba, you cannot use 4. So you have to, because you have to use prime numbers only. Zapman is correct.
Sir, can I resend my answer?
Yes, Aganya, you can. So Hacker and Shania. So let's see. So first, if I want to do the prime factorization orally, I can do 12 into 4. You can do it normally also. 12 can be written as 4 into 3. So 4 can be written as what? 2 square. So 2 square into 3 into 2 square. So that will give you 2 to the power 4 into 3. Or you could have also done the prime factorization. Avyan, why did we join late?
It was an internet issue, and I also like start 32.
So you can always do the prime factorization by the ladder method. All right, guys. Aganya, कोई problem इसमें?
No, sir.
No, sir. Shania and Hacker, what was the problem?
So I got disconnected. So
Miss Hacker, what's the problem? Next is 420.
Sir, what do we have to do?
Beta, you have to do the same 20. Write in exponential form. Do the prime factorization, write in exponential form.
Yes.
Rohan, 15 is not a prime number. Guys, hurry up.
Ma'am, can you check my answer? Where if the order of the prime numbers is
That doesn't make a difference.
okay, sir.
Where is Hacker? Is Hacker there in the class? No. All right, Ryan. So Miss Cow, Miss Tanibani, Miss Adya, Ray is correct. Which method should I use? The prime factorization or like orally how to find the prime factors? Tell me.
So I did prime factors.
So prime factorization to 210, then 2, 105, then with 3 and 35, then with 5 and 7 and 7 and 1. So this would be 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. That would be 2 square into 3 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 1 into 7 to the power 1.
So do we have to write the powers of like the one,
Can write because we are doing exponents.
like
Doesn't
3 to the power 1?
doesn't make much of a difference.
So let's.
Sai, Tani, Bani, Adya understood.
So
Yes.
I did
Yes, sir.
420 and I put 5 there, not 2. So I started with 5.
Okay. So next one, next concept, what we are going to do. Suppose I have 2 to the power x is equal to 32. So what will be the value of x? So I can write it 32 as 2 to the power 5, correct? Now when the bases are same, exponents can be equated. So with this will give me x equal to 5. Have we understood, guys?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
So, and then without this method, then how can we find?
No, beta, only this method will be used. Without this method, you will have to use log. That you will study in grade 9 or 10. So only this method you will be using. Next question. So find x. So if you don't know the 243 in exponential form, do the prime factors. If you can write it directly to 43 in the exponential form, you can write it directly as well. So Ruhan and Ray, keep your camera on. The next question. Do it. this will be 3 to the power what? So I know 3 cube is 27. So then 81, then 243. So this will be 3 to the power x is equal to 3 to the power 5. So which implies x is equal to 5. So Mr. Ray and whoever did not answer,
Sir,
I
I
hope we
sent.
haven't.
Sir, I
You-
sent. Ma'am did not check.
Okay, fine. Next question. Mr. Cow. So this will be what? Minus 5 raised to the power x will be equal to minus 5 raised to the power 3. So
And
which will implies x is equal to 3. Understood?
mistakes. And you click the wrong number.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, today I met Abita.
Today you are what?
Today I met Kitten.
Kitten.
Abita.
Oh my goodness. But she has lot of kittens. So just take care no one bites you. Mr. Ba.
Sir, can the exponent be in fractions?
It can be, but not for your grade. All right. So minus 2 by 3 raised to the power x is equal to minus 2 by 3 raised to the power 4. So implies that x is equal to 4. So why my answer is going to be positive? Because the power is even. That is why my answer is going to be positive. All right. So chatty Mr. Pa, understood, not understood?
Why is it? So can you repeat why is it going to be positive?
Because the power is even, that is why.
Oh. So, sir, it is equal to 16 upon 81 or was it minus 16 upon 81?
बेटा अगर आप इसको सिंप्लीफाई करोगे, व्हाट वाज रिटन हियर x, अगर आप इसको सिंप्लीफाई करोगे तो इट विल बी -2/3 into what was written here, 16 upon 81. So let's take this part. So you simplify this. So it will be -2/3 into -2/3 times -2/3 times -2/3. So that is going to be what? 16 upon 81.
Okay, sir.
And positive because the power is even. So whenever the power is even, my answer is going to be positive only. So Mr. Ba, Candy, Chatty, have we understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Mr. Shaurya, oh, Shaurya got the first cross. My goodness.
I can't believe it. I misclicked twice. I thought I entered 4 twice.
Okay. So next, I have to write these in exponential form. So if I have to write this in exponential form, I'm going to do the first one. The bases are same. Your base is same, so the powers will get added. Remember, a to the power m times a to the power n. The answer is a to the power m plus n. Same thing will apply here. Base दोनों का same है, so I will just add the powers. 3/4, 7 plus 5. So that will give you 3/4 raised to the power 12. So if we have understood, please do the second question.
Sir, can you explain once again?
बेटा ये रूल मैंने आपको डे बिफोर yesterday's class, I think जो yesterday class थी उसमें I taught you this rule. Whenever you are multiplying a to the power m whole to the power n, and that means your base is same. Base इसमें भी है, इसमें भी है. So what will happen? Your powers will get added. तो a to the power m plus 1 हो जाएगा. There was one example of also 2 cube into 2 to the power 4. That will give you 2 to the power 7. Same way, 3/4 whole to the power 7 multiplied by 3/4 whole to the power 5 will give you 3/4 whole to the power 12.
Got
All
it, sir.
right. Aganya, you raised your hand.
Sir, in the second one, will the negatives cross out?
बेटा अगर पावर इवन होगी तो नेगेटिव क्रॉस कर सकते हो, अगर पावर ऑड है तो आप नेगेटिव क्रॉस नहीं कर सकते. So it will be -2/5 raised to the power 15. Power is odd, so this will remain like this. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
अगर आप इवन पावर में भी लिख दोगे तो भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बट आपने नेगेटिव साइन हटा दिया तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा.
Okay, sir. Sir, I was
तो बाकी सब ऐसे ही हैं, सेम टू सेम. अच्छा, इसमें इवेल्युएट करना है. Now in these questions you have to find the value. आपको एक्सपोनेंट में नहीं लिखना है आंसर, आपको वैल्यू देना है. शुड आई एक्सप्लेन वन कि आप कर लोगे?
Sir, can you explain one?
So this will become 2/3 multiplied by 2/3 multiplied by 2/3 multiplied by 2/3. This is 2/3 raised to the power 4 times 2/3 times 2/3. So I know that 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 is 32. 32 into 2, 64. Then I told you 3 ones are 3, then 9, then 27, 81, 243, 729. So that's why learning the cubes and squares are very important. Understood, not understood?
Understood.
So solve the second question and the third question.
So the third question has a minus sign.
So what?
Sir, how to do?
You will be able to do it. You are scooter. If anyone can do that, that's you. Mr. Shaurya, have you done the other properties also of exponents? Have you done or not?
Sir, not all of them. I don't.
You have done a to the power m whole to the power n is a to the power m, and this property have you done?
I only know the properties of addition and subtraction you showed in class. I don't know anything about the properties you told on Saturday.
Okay. Ruhan Arora, please send to ma'am.
Also,
Mr. Ba,
I'm not checking.
Candyman, Ruhan, Ray, send your answer. जितना हुआ है उतना भेज दो. If you have done one, just send for one.
It is one.
So guys, let's see. So minus
Should I have sent?
you have sent. So let's see. So minus 3 by 4 raised to the power 5. So I know that first of all my answer is going to be negative because my power is odd. So 3 cube is 27, then 81, then 243. So it is going to give me 243. Then 4 cube is 64. Then it is 256. And then it is 1024. So I will get upon 1024. So Ruhan Arora, any doubt in the second question? Ruhan Arora and Adya, any doubt in the question?
No, sir.
Now let's go to the third question. For doing the third question, what do I have here? So it will be 5 by 7 raised to the power 5 minus 3. So I am adding them. Because the sign is multiplication, I am adding them. So I will get 5 by 7 raised to the power 2. That is 25 upon 49. As simple as that. So goddess.
Add the
Yes बेटा, because multiply है ना, तो m plus n कितना हो जाएगा? 2 हो जाएगा. All right.
Then if we multiply like 5
ना
by 7,
मल्टीप्लाई की प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है ना. प्रॉपर्टी तो है a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n. That gives you a to the power m plus n. Okay. So next what we are going to do, we are going to do the next property. So the next property, who will read this next property? Yes, Tani Bani. Tani Bani, you read in the last class also.
So can
The
I read?
last to last class.
Okay, Mickey Mouse, you read.
Rule 3 brackets. First, you multiply m times then you have to do that n times for
No,
total
beta,
of
first the law states, listen to me. The law states x to the power m whole to the power n is x to the power mn. इसका मतलब अगर मेरे पास 2 क्यूब है होल टू द पावर 4 है मतलब पूरा ब्रैकेट के अंदर है then I will get 2 to the power 3 into 4 12 guys many kids keep on getting confused इसमें वो ऐड कर देते हैं लास्ट वाले में वो क्या कर देते हैं मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं so we multiply when they are when the one power is second power is outside the bracket like this and one power is inside so we multiply so I will get 2 to the power 3 into 4 that is 2 to the power 12 yes carry on Mickey Mouse
um first you multiply m times, then you have to do that n times for total of m times n times.
m into n times okay next
Example, x to the power 3 uh, bracket 4 raised to the
whole
power
to the
4
power 4 whole to the power 4
is equal to 3 times x to the power 4 which is
so they
equal
have
to
explained this क्या हुआ x क्यूब को उन्होंने लिख लिया 3 times x so 3 times x को फिर उन्होंने to the power 4 कर दिया means x multiplied by x multiplied by x multiplied by x that will give me x 12 times that is x to the power 12 short में क्या होगा x to the power 3 whole to the power 4 is x to the power 3 into 4 that is x to the power 12 guys exponent मैंने आपको आई एम टेलिंग यू अगेन एंड अगेन इट्स वन ऑफ द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट कंसेप्ट्स ऑफ ग्रेड 7 जब बच्चे पहली बार करते हैं बाद में इजी लगने लगता है तो फर्स्ट टाइम के लिए दिस इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट इट्स नॉट इजी सो यू कंसंट्रेट सो आई विल गिव आई हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन वन एग्जांपल एवरीवन डू द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन if anyone has not understood I will give one more example so guys should we keep a name for Shaurya and Ruhan आपका नाम क्या था Roblox
No,
No,
sir.
that used to be Dharya's.
so what was Ruhan's name
The pro gamers.
Pro
Yes, sir.
Gamers and what was Adya's name
Radha didn't have one.
so we have to give to Ruhan Adya and Shaurya also
Rohana's
and
program.
Shania also so Ruhan is Pro Gamers so what should we call Adya
Pole.
so you have to suggest a name first
the pole.
Sir, you can give a poll.
पहले आप सजेस्ट तो करो पोल में तो मैं वही दूंगा ना जो आप सजेस्ट करोगे
Sir,
Let her speak.
sir,
आम
Why?
so we can call her Mango Bite चलो मैं पोल देता हूँ
Sir, what does she want?
so she doesn't speak she is okay with everything so okay so see candy base same है तो बेस सेम नहीं है सॉरी व्हाट एम आई सेइंग ये एक पावर इनसाइड है एक पावर आउटसाइड है सो दीज विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड सो 5 to the power 35 अंडरस्टूड कैंडी
yes, sir.
प्लीज डू द सेकंड क्वेश्चन गाइस तो आई हैव टू मेक अ पोल
Sir, can I
चलो
help with names?
या
Can I suggest a name?
यस यस
Sir, Adi.
एडी ओके फाइन I will give a poll. So in one class, we'll finalize one name. So D. और क्या सजेस्ट किया था आपने एडी आम और क्या था
Bite.
Mango bite.
मैंगो बाइट
So silent.
Silent killer.
Yes, sir.
Sir, the quiet.
Ananya.
Sir, quiet. Sir, write the quiet kid.
क्वाइट किट तो है ही बेटा, उसमें अब क्या करें. So 2 kids are remaining and I am ending the poll. So should we keep Eddie or silent killer?
Silent killer.
So Adya, is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So Adya is silent killer, Ruhan is pro gamers. Next week we'll decide for Shania and Shaurya.
Sir, that's a very violent name now.
But still,
So
in
who is
India,
Mickey
it's like
Mouse?
India people are violent.
Hey,
It's
don't-
not like Dubai. So Ruhan, you want pro gamers, you wanted to read. Please go ahead and read.
The law that xy to the power n equal to x to the power n times y to the power n. To show how this one works, just think of rearranging all the x's and y's as this example. Example, x times y to the power 3 equal to x times y, x times y, x times y equal to x times y, x times y, x times y equal to x times x, x times x, y times y equal to x times
So
x
x,
times
x, x, y, 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 that is x cube by cube. So I will tell you what happens. Suppose you have 2a whole cube. Now guys, ये power दोनों में है, 2 में भी है और a में भी है. So this power will be transferred to 2 also and a also. So what will happen? This will become 2 cube and a cube.
Into a cube.
Yeah. So 2 cube and a cube. 2 cube times a cube. अब now इसका application कैसे होगा? Suppose it's 6 whole to the power 4. So I told you that prime factorization is very important and generally we convert into prime factors. So क्या होगा? 6 I can write it as 2 into 3 whole to the power 4. Then when I will open, it will become 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4. Understood, not understood?
So if we write 2 to a, then what will that represent?
2 to a,
Right.
I don't know.
Will
Beta,
that
we
represent like
so let's not go into all that. Let's come back here to the question.
the 2
One
will
more
represent
example.
22 or 2
One
into
more
2?
example. मैं एक और दे रहा हूँ. Let's say it is 2 square a and whole to the power 4. Then what will be my answer, Scooter?
So it will be so you will multiply the
Sir,
2 to the power 8,
2 raised to the power
8
of
to the
6
power
and 8
4.
raised to the power of 4.
Wrong, Shaurya. Mr. Ba
2 to
wanted
the
to
power 8, 8 to the power
2
8
to
to the
the
power
power
4.
8. देखो ये अभी हमने एक प्रॉपर्टी पढ़ी थी ना, a to the power m whole to the power n. अब ये पावर इससे मल्टीप्लाई हो रही है. 4 into 1 हो रहा है, 4 into 2 हो रहा है. So 2 to the power 8 into a to the power 4.
That's what I said.
Okay. So I hope we understood. Next, same thing division में. अगर x by y whole to the power n हो तो क्या होगा? X to the power n upon y to the power n. Let's take an example. 2 by 3 whole to the power 5. It will be 2 to the power 5 upon 3 to the power 5. One more example. 2 square upon a whole to the power 4 will give me what? Today I have not heard Candy's voice. Candy, it will give me what?
What, sir?
This will give me what answer, Candy?
Sir,
2 to the power of 8 upon a.
अपॉन a to the power of 4, क्योंकि ये पावर दोनों में ट्रांसफर होगी. अंडरस्टूड गाइस?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes,
Sir, how is
of course you have a
XY
doubt. How can I forget you have a doubt?
Sir, how is XY is equal to XXX upon
बेटा
YYY?
ये है x बाय वाई इंटू एक्स बाय वाई इंटू एक्स बाय वाई. अब समझ आ गया?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So Tani Bani just messaged me. How can Scooter not have a doubt? You can ask Tani Bani if she texted me
Sir,
or
how
not.
should I know?
See, she's telling still she's accepting that. Point to be noted, Sudaram. Okay. So question 1. The question 1, you have to write in exponential form. So I am giving 3 questions or 2? 2 or 3?
So 2.
So I might give you a gift today. Gift to everyone. Everyone must hold their hearts for the gift.
So
will
what gift?
Oh, UI. What a shocker.
But I do not understand. We have to add and multiply.
बेटा सी, अगर होता 4 क्यूब होल टू द पावर 5 तो हम मल्टीप्लाई करते, इट वुड हैव बीन 4 टू द पावर 15. बट इफ इट इज 4 क्यूब टाइम्स 4 टू द पावर 5, then my answer will be 4 to the power 8. So answer will be 4 to the power 8 and minus 5 raised to the power 7. So understood, not understood,
Sir, it will
UI?
be plus 5 because that 2 minus 5.
बेटा बट पावर जो है वो एक्चुअली आई एम नॉट मल्टीप्लाइंग 2 टाइम्स, आई एम मल्टीप्लाइंग इट 5 टाइम्स, 7 टाइम्स.
Okay, sir.
7 इज एन ऑड नंबर, तो मेरा साइन नहीं जाएगा. और अगर आपको मैंने पहले ही बताया था, अगर यहाँ पे 4 हो और आप यहाँ पे 8 कर दो तो भी आपका आंसर करेक्ट है, बिकॉज दे हैव नॉट आस्क्ड यू टू सिंप्लीफाई इट, दे हैव जस्ट आस्क्ड यू टू राइट इन एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म. ओके, so next, minus 4 raised to the power, right, times minus 4 raised to the power 20.
And what did they just say about like that 8 thing that you can write 8 also over here?
I am saying अगर कभी आपका आंसर minus 5 raised to the power 8 आए, this is equal to 5 to the power 8. But even if you write like this, your answer would be correct.
Oops.
So my battery is really low. Can I get my charger?
Yes, beta. Which battery do you use?
Sir, can I get my iPad charger?
Yes, you can. So pro gamer, goddess, Mickey Mouse. So Candy, what's my first answer?
So -4 to the power of 2000.
2000 नहीं बेटा, see. A to the power m times A to the power n. इसका फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? आप मुझे बताओ.
So A to the power of mn.
A to the power of m plus n. और A to the power m whole to the power n is equal to A to the power m. Now you see, in this base same है, तो आप multiply कर रहे हो तो powers add हो जाएंगे. So my answer will be -4 raised to the power 120. ठीक है जपमन, goddess, pro gamer.
Got it, sir. Sir, but
Zafman understood?
Yes, so
Yes.
no, sir, I got it.
Next answer. What is my next answer, pro gamers and Candy?
Sir, I got confused in that because so in like multiply, do you if it's this, you just like in when you're dividing, sure, just write it as like the base as 1.
I didn't
Then
get your.
sir, when I'm, if
1.18.
No, beta, no. So listen up. So A to the power m divide by A to the power n. It would be A to the power m minus n. तो देखो यहाँ base same है. The sign is division. The powers get subtracted. 9 to the power 11 minus 7, that is 9 to the power 4. Zapman, clear है?
Can we write it as 9 to the power
Yes,
11
sir.
upon 9 to the power 7?
sir, but why wouldn't the
Better.
base be 1?
Because the base is 9. Why will it be 1? आप इसको सॉल्व करोगे, कैसे करोगे? 9 into 9 into 9 into 9 into 9 11 times. ऐसे ही करोगे ना?
Yes, sir.
Divide by 9 into 9 into 9.
Also, they will get cut.
9 into 9 into 9 कितनी बार? 7 times.
Yes, sir. got
7
it.
times ऊपर से कट हो जाएंगे. आपको क्या आएगा? 9 into 9 into 9 4 times.
Yes, sir.
Which is 9 to the power 4.
Got it.
Everything is a logic. Has a
Yes, sir.
logic. Wait, I'm completing the question.
So can we have break after this?
Peter, why do you want to break? Ma'am, please change Adya's name to Silent Killer. Adya, if anytime you don't like your name because it's violent, you can let us know. We'll change it again. We have to think names for Shania and Shaurya also.
Sir, you should change everybody's name.
Thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
I'm really happy with Guy. I get to be a cow and a guy at the same time.
Sir, if everybody get this question correct, can you leave us 3 minutes early?
Beta, you joined late, na? So I was thinking that we can just redo the topics that you missed at the start of the class.
Sir, I only joined 5 minutes late.
So 5 minutes we can do overtime with you. What do you say?
No, sir.
Why? Why not?
Sir, I came old.
Why not? So pro gamers, what is my first answer?
Sir, it's
Minus 7 raised to the power 6,
Sir,
9. What is it?
sir, it's 8.
8. And this will be 3 by 5 raised to the power cube.
3.
What is 7 to the power 8 also 5?
7 to the power 8 also is not wrong. Next question. Let me write it G.
Have you ever reached Z?
No.
For what time you will like anything from W?
Give the answer. 1 minute question.
Sir, ma'am always checks mine at the end.
Sure. In silent killer, what's my answer?
3 raised to the power 22.
Okay. 3 raised to the power 22. Next.
Is this the last question?
No.
Wait, guys.
Can I send again?
Okay. So silent killer, Tani Bani, what's my answer? Shanaya.
Shall I send my answer?
So this would be 5 to the power 20 divided by 5 to the power 11 will give you 5 to the power 9 times 5 to the power 4 will give you 5 to the power 13. Got it, guys?
Yes, sir, I was just about to type the answer.
So silent killer. So okay, kids, that's all for today. Bye bye. Enjoy. Good night.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
kids.
Bye, sir.
Guys.